Alright guys, super quick video today. I'm going to show you how to ship a one-off package using Pirate Ship. Sometimes you may sell something on like Facebook Marketplace and you don't want to use whatever bogus shipping program they have. Maybe you want to ship just a pack of Halloween Skittles to your uncle in Alaska or something. Whatever the case is, using Pirate Ship definitely beats going to the post office, standing in line, and paying retail rates. What I have to ship out is, I did a giveaway over on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you check out @FroggyFlips on Instagram. Sometimes I do giveaways over there, sometimes I do them on here, but it definitely helps to follow me on both. But I'm going to ship out these little packages to the winners. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to pirateship.com and create a free account. I think it asks you for a credit card, but don't worry, the credit card is only used when you purchase a label. Okay, so once you're all logged in, what you want to do is go to create a label, and it'll ask you to input the info to the person that you're sending something to. And then we need to choose our type of packaging. So what I'm going to ship, these are going to go first class, and they are in poly mailers. So we're going to go right down here to envelope, padded envelope, poly bag, soft pack, or bag in a box. We're going to click on that. These are 12 by 15. And the package weight, they weigh right under 10 ounces. So with a label, they'll probably be right at 10 ounces. And we get our rates. Okay, so this is going to go first class package for $3.82. So that's not bad at all. And we are going to buy our label because our credit card is already saved into the system. So we buy our label, and then if we look right up here, that's where we print the label. And I'm going to use the 8.5 by 11 option because I'm going to just print it with my laser printer, and it's my Samsung printer. Print. And there's our label. Peel it off, slap it on the package, and we are good to go. Pretty simple and definitely cheaper and faster than going to the post office. Now all we have to do is go drop it off on the counter, and then we're on our way. So if you find these kind of videos helpful, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram over at @FroggyFlips, and I will see you next time.